So this is Roomba 3 years and 1 puppy later, still functioning. There have been a couple of times where I needed to take the vacuum apart, which is pretty easy. There are these yellow tabs here you can press and actually just take out the rollers to clean out hair and all that gets stuck in there. So let's take a look. So it's really still functioning pretty well. So you can still see Roomba's still working and still creating carpet lines. So Roomba had been making funny noises. Turns out it had picked up a dog bone there that I had cleaned out.